Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart Ford F-150 full guide. Position both vehicles nose to nose or side by side with at least 12 inches clearance, engage parking brakes, and remove keys. Open the hoods and locate both batteries and any jump points under plastic covers. Identify positive plus and negative minus terminals and keep metal tools clear of terminals. Confirm no fuel leaks or open flames near the batteries. Follow these cable steps slowly and deliberately to avoid mistakes. Connect the red clamp to the dead battery positive, plus, terminal first, then the other red clamp to the donor positive terminal. Next, connect the black clamp to the donor negative terminal. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to a solid unpainted metal ground on the disabled truck away from the battery. Double-check clamps for secure contact and remove any loose tools from the engine bay. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: keep a durable water bottle with you during roadside jobs, like the Owala bottle I use for long waits and hot afternoons. It keeps you refreshed and focused when troubleshooting vehicles, and it's a small comfort that helps with safety. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start the donor truck and let it idle for 3 to 5 minutes while charging the dead battery. After charging, attempt to start the disabled Ford F-150 and avoid more than 10 seconds of continuous cranking to protect the starter. Once it starts, let both engines run for at least 5 minutes to stabilize charging. Remove cables in reverse order, beginning with the grounded clamp, and store cables safely before driving to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.